Morning everyone, I'm just showing you what I've been working on this week. Some of you might have seen pictures of it before it was completed. So this is my overlay mosaic crochet pin cushion, which I'm really very pleased with. I really like the effect. I've used these tiny balls, 10-gram balls of Scapious Cotona yarn. So just a little bit of grey left, but there's plenty of the others left, so it doesn't take an awful lot of yarn. So I've used the overlay mosaic technique, and those of you who know about that know that it's always worked from the right side. So that means if you work it flat, you have lots of ends. But if you work it in the round like I've done here, you don't. So that's one of the reasons I like working in the round. So then I've got a couple of buttons in the middle there and stuffed it with stuffing, obviously. And then I've used one of my favorite techniques to join the edge here, which is a twisted slip stitch. And I've used the lighter, the mid blue to do that with, and added a little hanging thing there. So I'm really very pleased with how this has turned out. I'm going to be putting it in a pattern and a kit, so you can have a multitude of different colours, whatever I've got available, if you'd like to buy the kit. I've used a 2.5mm hook to make it, and I think that's worked really well. You can't see any of the stuffing inside, and there you have it, my Mosaic Crochet Pin Cushion. Thanks everyone.